Hey everyone, welcome to this radio video. And today I want to talk about the CQ Worldwide contest that will be happening in October for single sideband. Now, the reason why I want to talk about this, two reasons. There's a lot of amateur radio operators that are actually subscribed to my channel. And there's also the listening side, so all of those that have shortwave radios with single sideband capability. This is one of the great contests where you'll hear literally the world in an afternoon. It's fantastic because you can hear exotic countries that usually aren't very much on the air. You can hear also, call signs, weird call signs that, are special contest signs that aren't always on the air also. So it's a very, very fun thing. I'll be posting many videos of that weekend, that's for sure. But I'll also be posting, I have a channel called Amateur Radio Logbook that I use to just post different amateur radio stations I hear from time to time around the world. And people just enjoy that. I get, many, many messages from ham radio operators that just tell me, oh, wow, it's cool that you've posted a video of my station, how I hear, how you hear me and how, the signal was in your part of the world. So the CQ Worldwide contests starts on at 0000 hours UTC on October 24th, which is a Saturday. And it goes all the way to, as you see here, 23:59 UTC Sunday. So it's 2 full days of contesting. Now, to hear all of that contesting, first of all, it's very easy. Even if you have a very basic single sideband receiver with telescopic antenna, I can bet you'll hear tons of stations, even with the most basic setup. Usually the bands are very, very crowded, so there's always full of activity, often very close together. So what you need to do is listen to the frequency allocations that follow. Anywhere from, say, 36 to 4,000 kilohertz, or 3.6 to 4 megahertz in the 80 meter band. You'll have, or 3.7 to 4, we'll say. I'm not sure exactly the full range, but most of the range. So that's the 80 meter band at night. Then you will have 40 meters, which will be full of signals, anywhere from 7125 to 7300 kilohertz, or 7.125 to 7.3 megahertz. That's the 40 meter band. That will also be mostly for late afternoon, evening, night. Then you'll have 20 meters, which is one of the great bands, probably the most popular. I'd say 40 and 20 meters are the two most popular amateur bands. Anywhere from 14.150 to 14, or even 14.100, all the way up to 14.350, you'll have some amateur radio contesting, that's for sure. So you can bet that there's going to be a lot of stuff there. You've got 15 meters. Well, you'll have amateur stations anywhere from 21,200 all the way to 21,450. That's a great amateur band also. I'll post the links, by the way, of the frequency allocation so that you can check it out. I'll also post a link of the contest. And then 10 meters, anywhere from 28,300 all the way to 29,000, basically. Because it's an SSB contest, there won't be any stations above 29,000, which is different modes. So try it out. Check that out. Also, one of the things you'll need to do when you are on that contesting is to use QRZ.com website. This website will let you listen to a station. So for example, in the contest, you'll hear tons of stations using the phonetic alphabet. So you'll hear things like Whiskey 4 Tango Lima contest. Then you'll go to the QRZ.com website and say, okay, Whiskey, which is W, 4, Tango Lima, TL. And you'll do a search. I don't know if this call works. And here you go. you get to a search and you get this information. What's nice, it gives you the exact location of where a station is located. So it's very, very nice. And this, by the way, QRZ.com is a great site for that. Now, if you are not an amateur radio operator, there's a limited number of searches that you'll have. So you can also go to another website that I believe does not have any limit, which is QRZCQ.com. So all of these will be posted at the links in the description below the video. Just check out the description. So here, same thing. All you'll do is enter the call sign. So I just entered, for example, W4TL. So Whiskey 4 Tango Lima. This one should also have the information of this station. So here you go. Gives you where it's located. The QRZCQ.com is often not as complete as the QRZ.com website, but it is, a good alternative if you run out of searches on the QRZ.com, which I believe is 25 in a 24-hour period or something like that. So these are two websites you can get the information of where these stations are from. And it's a great time to actually use the single sideband mode of your shortwave receiver. So mark your calendars for the CQ Worldwide Contest, which will be the single sideband contest October 24th and 25, 2015. That's Saturday and Sunday. So hope you have fun listening to these amateur stations that you log many countries, and look for the videos that I'll post on the different bands with all the amateur stations calling. So if you enjoy my videos, why not subscribe to my channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions, anything you want to know about radio, you can ask questions. You can also follow us. We have many live shows, live hangouts. Next one will be October 17th, just a week before the contest. And I hope you enjoy our videos, and we'll come back. Thank you for watching.